To begin, make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, chain 40. After chaining 40, to begin working, skip the first chain, go through the second chain. So you yarn over, go through the second chain space. Make 2 double crochets. To make a double crochet, when you have 3 loops, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. That is how to make a double crochet. Yarn over, in the same chain space, make another double crochet, chain 1, slip stitch in the same chain space. Then slip stitch into the next chain space, chain 5, slip stitch in the same chain space. We are going to repeat that across the row. You slip stitch into the next chain space, you chain 5, and slip stitch in the same chain space. Repeat that across the row. This was the only different one. All these others are the same. You slip stitch into the next chain space, you chain 5, and slip stitch back into the same chain space. Slip stitch into the next chain space, chain 5, and slip stitch in the same chain space. Repeat that until the end of the chain. You chain 5, slip stitch in the same stitch, then I will slip stitch into the last stitch to finish, chain 1. I'm going to cut a long tail I will use in stitching. Pass this yarn this way and fasten. This is what I have, and it is stretching. To maintain this shape without stretching, I will attach this yarn to a darning needle. Then go through from the top to the bottom, maintaining this shape so that it will not be stretching. Then I will go back to this point. You are going to make another one the same way. To make the leaves, make a slip knot. Chain 16. After chaining 16, skip the first chain, go through the second chain and make a single crochet. Go through the next chain, make a single crochet. Go through the next chain, make a single crochet. Then the next two chains, make one half double crochet into each one of them. I have made this. I go to the next to make one half double crochet. The next two chains, one double crochet into each one of them. One double crochet, and the next one double crochet, slip stitch in the next chain space. One half of the leaf is complete. Make one double crochet in the next two chain spaces. And make one double crochet. Go to the next, make one double crochet. The next two chain spaces, one half double crochet into each one of them. One half double crochet. Go to the next, one half double crochet. You have three chain spaces remaining. Make one single crochet into each one of them. One single crochet in the next three chains. One, go to the next, two, go to the last, three. You chain two, one, two, slip stitch in the last chain. Still in the last chain, go through, make a single crochet. Go through the next one, make a single crochet. Go through the next, make a single crochet. In the next two stitches, one half double crochet into each one of them. Go to the next, make one half double crochet. The next two stitches, one double crochet into each one of them. One, go to the next, make one double crochet. Two, slip stitch. The first leaf is complete. After slip stitching the next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet into each one of them, 1 double crochet, go to the next double crochet, the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet into each one of them, 1 half double crochet, go to the next, 1 half double crochet, the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet, 1, go to the next, the second single crochet, go to the next, the last, 1 single crochet, chain 2, slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut. At the top here, I'm going to chain 40. After chaining 40, I will slip stitch at the top, then chain 1 and cut. Weave in the loose ends. This is what I have. I will fold it in half and mark the midpoint. Then I will take this leaf. I'll go through the middle of these 2 leaves